Chalo, let's start. We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome to this new and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Same as like you all. Okay, chalo, now we'll sing God's love together. And Aisha, sit properly. Fold your leg and sit. How you are sitting? And Aisha, tiko mat, seedhe baitho. Yes. Okay, so now, nahi, Unnati, just wait. Unnati, we are going to sing God's love. Start. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. So high, we can't get over it. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. All right. Now, let me tell you, Ruhan, switch on the camera. Namasvi, switch on the camera. Okay. This is the first and last time I am telling you all. Now I found anyone with their camera off. Directly I am going to remove you from the class. Then don't complain कि मैम ने remove कर दिया. ठीक है? Please. हाँ, if you are having any genuine reason, you let me know. That's a different thing. All right, chalo bachcho, stand up for national anthem. So, do you remember how to stand in national anthem? याद है कि भूल गए? Remember that? Laksh, stand up. All right. So, everyone, thumbs inside, fingers on the top, and hands by your side. Attention. Now, no one is going to move and going to look here and there. Okay? Let's start. जन गण मन अधिनायक जया हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविण उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद. Okay, do not sit. अच्छा, tell me who has written the national anthem. किसने लिखा है national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. Who has written the national anthem? Yes, I know you all know the answer. But अभी के लिए हम लोग सब साथ में बोलते हैं. Do not raise your hand. Rabindranath Tagore. ठीक है, चलो सब खड़े हो जाओ. Stand up. And one more thing I want to say, it's a request to mothers. अगर national anthem में बच्चे खड़े नहीं हो रहे हैं, then please, it's your responsibility to make them stand. And one more thing, along with them, you also have to stand. अदरवाइज वो क्या सोचेंगे? अभी हम उन्हें कह रहे हैं कि whenever you hear national anthem, yeah, whenever you sing national anthem, and whenever national anthem is being played anywhere, so we have to stand straight. तो बच्चे खड़े हो रहे हैं और आप खड़े नहीं हो रहे, then it's not a good thing. They imitate us only. So it's a request to you mothers, if you are present in the room at that time, you kindly stand for national anthem. ठीक है? चलो बच्चों, now let's do the exercises. चलो स्टार्ट करें. कम ऑन, अभी हम एक्सरसाइजेस करेंगे, फिर हमें बहुत सारी एनर्जी आ जाएगी, है ना? चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. स्ट्रेच योर आर्म्स एंड क्लैप. क्लैप पूरे स्ट्रेच करना है आपको. स्ट्रेच इट प्रॉपरली. क्लैप 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 क्लैप. Now attention, rest for some time. Now wiggle your fingers. Wiggle it slowly, 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 and then fast, fast. Now keep both the hands on your waist. आपके दोनों हाथ आपकी कमर पे रखो and start jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Okay. Now, chalo, come on. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet without bending your knees. आप सब अपने पैर को टच करने की कोशिश करो with your hands. Come on, stand up. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Again, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. All right. Now, show your thumbs and keep it on the shoulders. Now, you have to move your hands forward. मितांश इतनी जल्दी नहीं करना है, not so fast. Yes. Forward मतलब आगे की तरफ. Now, backward. पीछे. Backward. 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 Okay. Now, run. Come on. Run. 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 All right. Okay, बच्चों, चलो बैठ जाओ आप. Sit down. Sit down. अब आप में एनर्जी आई कि नहीं? Yes or no? Okay. चलो. Now, प्रमुख बैठ जाओ बच्चा. Sit down. All right. Now, everyone, get your English copy. Come on, get your English copy. We'll do the English work. Okay, Drishya, that one I forgot. अब हम कल करेंगे, ठीक है? Come on, get your English copy and write down today's date. Acha, yes. Before starting our work, first of all, we have to say the weekdays, month's name, everything, hai na? So how many days are there in a week? How many days? Very good. 7 days. Very nice. 7 days. So let's say together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And Sunday is the holiday. वैसे अभी तो हमने बहुत सारी हॉलीडेज एंजॉय करी है ना. एवरी डे वो संडे, लाइक संडे, है ना? एंड फन डे. ऑल राइट. चलो, हाउ मेनी मंथ्स आर देयर इन अ ईयर? एक ईयर में कितने मंथ्स होते हैं? देयर आर 12 मंथ्स. कम ऑन से. जनवरी, फेब्रुअरी, मार्च, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. अच्छा, आपको पता है कि जब हमारी हॉलीडेज नहीं हुई थी ऑन द लास्ट डे ऑफ अवर क्लास, तब अक्टूबर चल रहा था, है ना? मैम हैड टोल्ड यू कि अक्टूबर मंथ इज गोइंग ऑन, बट अभी द मंथ हैज चेंज्ड, अ न्यू मंथ हैज स्टार्टेड, नवंबर. Which month is going on? November is going on. So today is 8 November 2021. What is the date today? 8 November 2021. And the day is, yesterday was Sunday, कल Sunday था, तो आज कौन सा डे हुआ? Today is Monday. Okay, चलो. So now get your English copy. Laksh, are you not well? Are you not well? Get your English copy and write down today's date. Date you only have to write. Don't allow your mama to write it for yourself. For you. On your behalf. Okay? You have to write it yourself. Do not allow your mother to write it for you on your behalf. So the date is 8/11/2021. 11 we had written because अभी हमने January, February पढ़ा, तो November 11th number पर आता है. That's why we had written 11 here instead of November. ठीक है? So the date is 8 November 2021. Chalo, let's start. So what we are doing, beta? We are learning O sound words. O sound words. Acha, what is the sound of O? O. O का sound O ही होता है, ठीक है? चलो. So you all know, first of all, we have to read each and every word and then we have to write it. Come on. So the first word is, come on, read using phonic sound. H. H says her. Her, op. Hope. Her, op, hop. Hop. Her, op, hop. So you have to write down the word 3 times. I have written it 2 times because I don't have the space. So you have to write it 3 times. Read and write. Her, op, hop. Her, op, hop. Read and write. Hope. Now, second. Now, अब हम H हटाकर we have to write P. P, O, P. Okay. So P says P. P का sound क्या होता है? P. P, op, pop. P, op, pop. P, op, pop. pop. Hop, pop. Try to read using phonic sound. Now, next one. F O G. F O G. Okay. So O G Og. O says O or G says G. Okay. So it becomes O G Og. Okay. Now we have to add F and Og. So F का sound क्या होता है? What is the sound of F? F. F Og fog. F Og fog. Fog. अभी सर्दी का मौसम आया है. Now the winter has started. Now you are able to see the fog after some time, after some days. Fog मतलब होता है धुंध. हमें सर्दी में ऐसा होता है ना, धुआं धुआं होता है आगे, हमें आगे का कुछ दिखता नहीं है. तो that is known as fog. Fog, fog. Fog, fog. Laksh, Lokend, and who is this? Ritvi Jain. Yes. Who is this, ma'am? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, actually, Ridhan.
Okay, Ridhan. All right. He is not well?
Yeah. No, I am not well, actually.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Actually, I forgot to change the name.
That's why. I'm getting confused over it now. Who is Ritvi?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Ridhan's.
All right. Read and write, बच्चों. Reading is very, 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 very important. ठीक है? Whenever we read na, each and everything, word and all, so we are going to learn it very fast. Hop, pop, fog. Now, number 4. C O G. So O G अभी हमने पढ़ा था. O says O, G says G. O G. Okay, Og. So when we add Og with C, so C का sound क्या होता है? What is the sound of C? K. ठीक है? K Og. Cog. K Og cog. K Og cog. K Og cog. Hop, pop, fog, cog. Okay, now the next one. If NOD. I think ऊपर लिखते हैं. Okay, I'm erasing the first one as I don't have enough space over there. But again, I am telling you, read and write. Read and write. Okay, so O says O और D says D. जब आप O और D को मिलाओगे तो क्या बनेगा? Odd, है ना? This is odd. Now we have to add N with odd. So what is the sound of N? N का sound क्या होता है? What is the sound of N? Na. So na odd, nod. Na odd, nod. NOD, na odd, nod. Na odd, nod. Na odd, nod. Now, number 6. Number 6 is J O B. अब देखो D and B में don't get confused. D का face इस तरफ होता है on the right side and B faces the left side. ठीक है? So this is B. So O और B. O says O, B says B. O B ob. O B ob. So when we add J with ob, क्योंकि J का sound J होता है, so what we are going to add? J O B, job. J O B, job. J O B, job. Write down three times. I am writing it 2 times because I do not have the space here. No odd, not, or job, job. Read and write it, everyone. I am looking at each one of you. Ma'am को सब पता है कि who is saying the word, who is reading it or not. It's okay, it's okay. लोकेंद्र, लोकेंद्र, आराम से करो. Read and write. Now, number 7. Now, R O B. R O B. So R says R. R. O says O. Or B says B. ठीक है? So when we add O and B together, O B, ob. So this become ob. Now we have to add R here. So what is the sound of R? Ra. So ra-ob, rob. Ra-ob, rob. Write down each word 3 times. Ra, o, b, rob. Rob. And number 8 is R O T. अब देखो हमने यहाँ पर बी हटाकर टी लगा दिया है ओ के साथ. सो व्हाट इज द साउंड ऑफ ओ? ओ. और टी का साउंड ट. ओ ट ऑट. O T ought. Okay, so this become ought. So when we add R with ought, जब हम R के साथ ought मिलाएंगे, so what is the sound of R? R. So it becomes R ought rot. R ought rot. R ought rot. Rot. Nod, job, rope or rot. Read and write.